Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel today. My name's Michelle for those of you who don't know me. I make videos on health, wellness, and fitness. Today I'm going to take you guys along to the gym with me and then we're going to do a flat tummy shot after that. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Like and subscribe to my video. I'll be so happy. Thank you guys. Good morning YouTube, welcome to my channel. I just got home from my workout. It's 9:51 now. I left the house I think around 8:45 this morning, so I'd say I did about an hour workout. I generally work out in the morning on a fasted stomach, so I don't eat anything in the morning. I do have a cup of tea with a little bit of almond milk. Okay, so my friend told me to get all the aloe out and then you put it in the NutriBullet. So I love my NutriBullet. Really, really convenient, blends up everything really well. So you can see how much I have here. Not a lot, because it's just gonna be like one shot. It might even honestly be too much. And then I'm gonna just wash the lime. Cut that in half. And then with my juicer, I will just squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Like that. So I just added some ginger in here as well. I just chopped it. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this. Okay, let's do a taste test here. I'm a little nervous because I've never tried this before, so just bear with me. Maybe have my water close by as like a chaser. To be honest, it doesn't taste that bad. I think you should grate the ginger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you tried this recipe and what you guys thought about it. I'll also link my NutriBullet on Amazon for you guys. If you want to buy this one, it's honestly amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's so greatly appreciated.